Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Friday, May 15th. And today for your grammar, we are going to be working with this, that, and articles. So let's take a look. The adjectives this and that tell which one. The words a, an, and the are adjectives called articles. Use a before nouns that begin with a consonant, and use and before nouns that begin with a vowel sound. So let's take a look. Excuse me. Okay. The very first part, it says underline the adjective that tells which one. So let's take a look. The adjectives this and that tell which one. So that's what we're going to be looking at, this and that. Write the noun the adjective describes. So let's look. My friends and I helped clean this park. So we need to underline the adjective that tells which one. So this we're going to underline and write the noun. Park. Which one? This park. Okay? So we're going to write park on the line. We ready? Number 2. We put the trash we collected in that can. So let's underline the adjective that tells which one. It's either going to be this or that. And then we're going to write the noun that usually comes right after it on the line. Okay? So we put the trash we collected in that can. And finally, this playground could use a good cleaning. This playground could use a good cleaning. Oh, there it is. And what does it describe? There you go. Write it on the line. Okay, next it says choose the article in parentheses to go with the underlined word and write the article. Now remember, a, an, and the are articles. Use a before a word that begins with a consonant and an that before a word that begins with a vowel. And you'll hear it, boys and girls. I always tell you this. Sometimes if you just say it out loud, you'll say, that doesn't sound right. So let's take a look. It says, I have a can to recycle, or I have an can to recycle. Which one are we going to write? Number 5, you should recycle the paper, or you should recycle an paper. And number 6, there is a empty bin, or there is an empty bin. Next, the bin is not full yet, or an bin is not yet full yet. Okay, so let's just go back and look at if it starts with a consonant, use a. If it starts with a vowel, use an, or you could use the, right? And those are your articles. Okay, we're going to go over and do page 10 in your reader's notebook. Remember, this is reader's notebook 2. Okay, today we're going to work with word towers. This is fun. So it says read each clue and write the basic word that matches each clue. So here's your basic words, 1 through 14. I'm going to read them to you. Air, that we breathe. Wear, like our shoes. We wear our shoes. Chair, next to your desk. Stairs that we climb in our house. Probably have stairs to go upstairs. Bare means no hair. Okay, bare or bare arms mean not covered. Okay, bear, B-E-A-R, is the animal that lives in the woods. Hair on your head. Care. If I care for you, I worry about you, I think about you. Okay. Number 9 is pear. I can eat a pear with my breakfast or my lunch. It's a fruit. Number 10 is a pair, like a pair of socks or a pair of shoes, two of the same. 11, share, something that I like to do with my friends, share. Number 12, near. If I'm near you, I'm close to you. Number 13, ear, something I hear with. And number 14, beard, the facial hair that guys grow, right? Okay, so let's take a look. Here's our word towers. We're going to choose a word. We're going to write it in the word tower, and the clues are next to it. So in this, it's 3 letters, and it says a body part you use to hear. A body part you use to hear. I'm pretty sure you guys know which one that is. Take a look down through our list. Pick the correct one. Number 2 has 4 letters in it, and it says 2 of something. We just talked about that. What is that one? Okay, number 3, hair on a man's chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Go down through our list and see which one has 5 letters. Alrighty. Number 4, here we go. Fills the open space around you. 3 letters. So look around. Take a nice deep breath. And what's filling in that space? Number 5, 4 letters. A large, strong animal. Well, we only have one animal here, guys. Make sure you pick the correct one. Correct spelling is what I want to say. 4 letters. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. And it says to split something with a friend. Oh, yes. Split something like a pizza with a friend. What would you do? And finally, number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It says steps. Another word for steps. Okay, let's take a look at the challenge. It says challenge, use basic review and challenge words to complete the word tower. So now we not only have our basic words, we have review words buy. If I buy something, I purchase it at a store. Year, we all know what a year is. How many years old are you, right? Challenge words are earring that I wear in my ears. And compare. If I compare 2 things, I see how they're alike. Okay? All right, so let's take a look. Number 8. Pay money for something. Oh, 3 letters. Number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. It says feel love and concern for someone. And I'm going to tell you that's up in your basic words. Number 10. Furniture you can sit on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Furniture you can sit on. Oh, I'm sorry. I knew that wasn't right. Here's 8, here's 9, here's 10. It's 5 letters, guys. I apologize. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Furniture you can sit on. Number 11, we already did. Steps. Steps. Write the same one. On this one, that's the one that has 6. And finally, number 12 says, tell how two things are alike. Oh, I kind of gave that one away when I was telling what the word meant, huh? That would be one of your challenge words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? All right, guys. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. Go ahead and go out and take advantage. All right? And I will talk to you soon. I miss everyone. And I can't wait to see you again. Okay? Alrighty. Bye-bye.